Kani. Welcome to Maths with Kani. We are going to solve another question from Cambridge IGCSE maths paper. The question is question number 8 from the paper 060622 May-June 2019. Okay, so let us see what the question is asking. They have given a binomial expansion of this format. The coefficient of x to the power of 3 is 120 times of the coefficient of x to the power of 5. Now he's asking us to find the value of a here. Okay, first of all, I will just a brief reminder of the binomial expansion. You know that if you have a plus x to the power of n, then you are having always the term will be a to the power of n plus nc1 a to the power of n minus 1 x plus nc2 a to the power of n minus 2 x squared, and goes on like that. You can see that always this number here and this power is same. That is, in general form, any terms in the form of nck a to the power of n minus k and x to the power of k. So this is general form of these terms of this expansion. So every term will be this like this. Now, since I want the coefficient of x to the power of 3, therefore my k should be 3. Therefore, n is how much? N is 6. Therefore, coefficient of x to the power of 3, therefore I'm going to write 6 C3 a to the power of 6 minus this, which will be 3, then minus x over 2 to the power of 3. Now I'm going to simplify this. 6c3 is actually 20. Therefore, this is 20. A to the power of 3. And here will be minus, this negative to the power of 3 is negative, I will put negative here. X to the power of 3 over 8. Therefore, the coefficient means the number comes before x cubed. Therefore, the number comes, therefore the coefficient of x cubed is equal to negative 20 a cubed over 8. Which you can simplify by 4, and then you are going to get minus 5 a cubed divided by 2. Therefore, this is the coefficient of x to the power of 3, x cubed. Now we can do similar things for x to the power of 5. In that case, we have 6c5. Now, this minus this is 1 actually, therefore a to the power of 1, then minus x divided by 2 to the power of 5. 6c5 is 6. So this is 6. You can use your calculator and get the value. A to the power of 1 is a. This is minus x to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So it is 32. Again, the coefficient of x to the power of 3, we have to remove x to the power, then the number comes before x to the power of 5. Therefore, this is negative 6a divided by 32. This can be simplified by 2 if you want, minus 3a divided by 16. Now we have this. Now let us go back to this statement. It says this coefficient is 120 times of this coefficient. So I can write minus 5 over 2 x to the power of 3 is equal to 120 times of this. minus 3 over 16a. Now we have to simplify this. Since a is not equal to 0, for sure a is not equal to 0, I can divide both sides by a, therefore I am going to get a square this side, then therefore there is no a here, but this a cancels one of this a, this will be a square, therefore here I have this negative also cancels this negative, therefore we have got 3 over 16 times 120 over 1, this we have to divide that side, therefore you have multiplied by 2 over 5. Just put in the calculator and get the answer of a square will be 9. A square is equal to 9, therefore a is plus or minus 3. Therefore a is plus or minus 3. But it says that find the positive values of the constant a, find the positive values of constant a, therefore this a cannot be negative also, therefore the answer is only a is equal to 3. Now we go for the second part of this question. Part B of this question 8. Part B is not related to part A at all, but it has got two sections, section 1 and section 2. The first section, it says that expand this in ascending power of x as far as the term x to the power of 3, simplify each term. Therefore, we have to expand it. Now we know how to expand this. This is 1 to the power of 20 plus 20c1 2x to the power of 2 plus 20c2 2x to the power of, sorry, there is no power here, 2x to the power of 1, and here 2x to the power of 2, and 20c3 2x to the power of 3, and goes on like that. But we want till x to the power of 3, therefore we don't continue. And you can see that this is 20, this value is same as this. I have not written 1 to the power of, here I should write 1 to the power of 19, 1 to the power of 18, and 1 to the power of 17. But 1 to the power of a number is 1, and 1 multiplied by a number is same. Therefore no changes. Therefore the value of this value a doesn't affect the terms. So I have not written that. So this is 1 actually, therefore no change in this. Then 20c1 is 20 times 2x. 20c2 is 190, and this is times 4x to the power of 2. 20c3, let me calculate using calculator. 20c3 is 1140, and this is 8x cubed. Now, this is 1 plus 40x, is very clear, 20 times 2 is 40. Here, 4 times of this is 0, 760 x squared, and this times this is x cubed, therefore times 8, it is 9120. Therefore, we are done this. Therefore, this is actually the simplified format of this one. After expansion, this will be this. The expression will be like that. Now, look at this. The second part is saying, using this expansion, find the value of 0.98 to the power of 20. So, this 0.98 should be equal to 1 plus 2x. Let us put them equal and see what's the value of x. Therefore, 1 plus 2x should be 0.98. Now, therefore, 2x is equal to 0.98 minus 1. Therefore, 2x is equal to negative 0.02. Therefore, x is equal to negative 0.01. Therefore, there is the value of x. That means if we substitute this value in this expression, which is equal to this expression, this side you are going to get 0.98 to the power of 20. Therefore, 0.98 to the power of 20 is equal to 1 plus 40 times negative 0.01 plus 760 negative 0.01 square plus 9120 negative 0.01 to the power of 3. Now this is 1 plus 40 times this is negative, therefore the answer here will be negative. Therefore negative 0.4. Now here this to the power of 2 will be positive, therefore this will be plus. This is 4 decimal place, therefore this will be 0.76. Then this is the power of 3 is negative, therefore negative 0.6 decimal place, therefore you can write negative 0.00912. Okay, now just add them, put them in the calculator and see what you're going to get. 1 minus 0.4 plus 0.076 minus 0.00912. You are going to get 0.66, another 688. Okay, correct in 2 decimal place is equal to 0.67. Therefore we got the answer. Thank you for watching.